What's up, Caliper King Nation? It's Thanasi, your Caliper King, and today we got some G500 Mercedes calipers for the front, 4 pistons each. Here, we're going to show you a little bit of a time lapse of the entire process, so sit back and enjoy. And if you do like this content, please subscribe, smash the like button, leave comments down below. I'm up for anything, baby. Let's get this show on the road. Let's get these G500s done for our loyal customer.
So here we're disassembling the 4 piston calipers, taking out each crossover bolt. Now here we have the pistons that we're removing, making sure all the boots and seals have been extracted. Time to degrease. This is our degreasing machine. After the degreasing machine, we put in our sandblaster for about 10-15 minutes. I sandblast the small parts and then right to the buffing area where we shine up all the surfaces of the pistons to make sure for smooth installation. Now here I'm prepping the caliper bodies to get painted. I'm not showing the paint in this time lapse, but you'll see at the end that they are painted black. And here I'm also reassembling the 2 halves together. There are the bodies that have been painted. I'm fitting the seals into the bodies of the caliper, putting the boots on right before I install the pistons. And we got to be very careful not to break those seals. So again, we're using our hands to put it in. And there I am installing the last of the bleeders. And there you have it, our G500 calipers.
Again, thanks for watching this video on the G500 Mercedes calipers. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did rebuilding them. And always remember, brake on.